Hey guys, it's Randy with Hanley Digital Consulting. We spoke the other day about a quick video on how to help bring more customers to your business with a better online presence. And in this video, there's going to be some really cool tips, and I just want you to keep in mind, even if you're not interested in my services, I'd really like to get your feedback. So I was looking at your website, and I noticed a few things that we can work on to help bring more traffic to it, and obviously some more revenue to your business. And there's 3 ways that we do this, and it's with content, backlinks, and citations. So content is what I'm referring to as words and images. So we want around 1,500 words minimum on your homepage, and what it does is it gives us places to put higher search keywords so that Google can find your website a lot easier. And also when we're saving our pictures, you want to save those pictures with those keywords, your business name and the address inside those pictures, so that these pictures are being found the proper way. And that's just, business name, address, and or keyword that people are searching, and then the address of your business. So that'll really help your business get found. So what I could do is I could pull up your website with this tool that I use, and it shows me everything that's going on. You got 25 referring domains, you got 6.27 thousand backlinks, you got a UR of 10, DR of 0.4, and 14 traffic. So what this tells me is that you have a lot of backlinks that aren't really bringing you a lot of power or authority with you. You're getting backlinks, but you're not getting the right kind of backlinks, and they're not really helping you. And probably has a lot to do with the fact that you only have, out of all your total backlinks of 5,000 right here, you only have 183 do follows. We definitely want to have all do follows. These are good for your DR and stuff like that. So, but these aren't really doing much for you because they don't have any power with them. So, definitely want to go out and get some better of those. And then referring domains, it'd be the same way. Again, we only want do follows, and you only have 9 domains that are do follows. So this is probably the biggest problem you have right now, is that most of your referring domains have a DR of 0. So, and the highest one you have is 58. So you definitely got to get some better one of those. And backlinks, they just come with the referring domain. So you could have, 8 links in one referring domain, so you'd get a bunch of backlinks from it. So, with that being said, definitely want to make sure that you've got better backlinks and stuff like that. So if I go check out your content, your keywords, we want to make sure that you're being found for these keywords right here. See, so you're being ranked number 7. You can see right here, and they just updated this tool, and it's starting over today, so the volumes are low. Normally all these right here are 100 to 150, 200 searches a month. So this is starting over today. Let's see, I think I have it on here somewhere where it tells me that. It's not popping up. Maybe if I do a search. Yeah, it's not showing it, but it just showed me earlier that it's basically it started over today. It's new, so the volumes are low, but these are normally 100 searches. So we want to be ranked for these, and these are going to be easy to be found for. And all these keywords right here, we want to make sure they're in your content, bolded, highlighted, and you're being found for. So obviously your website's being found for them. So the main thing is now we want to start ranking for these keywords and get our positions to 1, and then you'll start seeing the traffic coming through, because see, you're not seeing much traffic from all these keywords except for these right here. So definitely make sure that you're ranking for these keywords. So if I go check out one of your competitors, this is Affordable Cleaning Team. You can see their keywords. And they're going to be found for almost the same ones, except for we only want the ones that are location specific. Affordable commercial, cleaning service, Alexandria. Like, for one, that definitely has more than 10 people searching. These are, like I said, these are thrown off. But anyways, so definitely want to get you some better keywords and go after them. So the third thing is with citations. So citations are basically anywhere your business name or number appear in directories like Yelp and Yellow Pages. So the more you can get, the greater chance you have of getting into top 3 of the Google Map Pack. So this right here is a Google Map Pack. So we want to make sure that you are right here. We want your GMB optimized. We want to make sure that this has plenty of posts and that are getting to it every month. And, we want you to be found in the top 3 because this is where about 70% of all your business comes from. So getting up here is super important. And here you are right here. So it wouldn't take very long for you to move up to the top for cleaning services in Shreveport. That's a keyword search. So definitely want to focus on ranking your GMB and getting that up there too. So with that being said, man, I hope this helps. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to give me a shout, shoot me an email or something. I'd love to sit down with you, see if I can help you and your business grow. And with that being said, I appreciate you for watching and have a good day. Thank you.